All right, let's quickly wrap up week 6, look ahead to week 7. So I'm going over your discussions. It looks like most of you got in. There's still a few of you that need to get in. So let's try and get those in. We are classes on the back half of it now. We are past the midpoint. So it looks like the quizzes, there's a few of you that need to get those in too. I should have your grades, your discussions all graded by tonight. And that way you know you're staying in the class. So let's move ahead now here to week 7. So for our 7th week of CRJ 310, Law Enforcement Operations Management, we're going to go over how the U.S. Department of Justice, the DOJ, and the U.S. Department of Homeland Security work together. And we're also going to go over the differences between local, state, and federal, municipal law enforcement agencies. So this week you're going to read through chapters 10 and 11 from your textbook, and then you're going to watch the week 7 lectures 1 and 2. For our discussion this week, we're going to go over the differences between federal and state law enforcement agencies. You're then going to go over the 4 major organizations that make it the Department of Justice, the DOJ, and compare and contrast their primary functions. Then provide one example of a situation or scenario where each of the 4 organizations would be utilized. All right, and then you're going to have a chance to look ahead to the assignment, leadership and personnel issues, and the rules of law assignment, which is going to be due next week in the class week 8. And then lastly, you have your chapters 10 and 11 quiz to complete. It is a 35 multiple choice and true-false questions, covers materials from chapters 10 and 11. The test has a limit of 2 hours, and it can be saved and resumed later. So the test does allow multiple attempts. So again, if you're behind any classwork from last week or any of the previous weeks, let's get those in. Let's make sure that we all get current in the class and that we're all able to pass the class. Okay? So any questions again, call me, text me, email me at any time. Good luck to all you in week 7.